you go, my dear friends. We are here in the nature right now and going hiking with my Cariton, my baby stroller. I have a lot of things here on my baby stroller. So of course, as a momshi, we need to bring a lot of things as a momshi over here. And this is all the trees over here. And there's a lot of kids also. So this one is a scorciatoia in Italiano. Scorciatoia means shortcut to going around the center. This is going around the center, a shortcut, which is in Italiano is scorciatoia. So my baby and I, we go hiking over here nel bosco in Italiano, means in the nature. Very strong baby stroller, as you can see, guys. So my left hand is busy pushing my baby, and my right hand is I'm using my cell phone vlog. So anyway, my dear friend, I'm using my vlog only my cell phone. So my husband gave it to me, this new phone I have here. So it's nice cell phone because it's very clear and very steady to making a video. This is the one we went for. Now we're gonna going around. A lot of kids, and of course you can also picnic over here if you want to do picnic. If you want to quality time with your baby, you can do quality time also with your baby. A lot of stuff to do, a view from the beautiful view. Let's see a panoramic. So I'm gonna show you. I'm here another point for the beautiful view, beautiful spot to see the center of Massa Marittima. So this is another spot. As you can see, we have a lot of spots. Let's see panoramic. So that's the center over there. The church there, if you can see, that's already a center. We have a tower. So this is a tower of Massa Marittima. So anyway, guys, the Massa Marittima is a top on the mountain. So in Philippines, in Cebu City, we have a mountain top. So we have also here in Italy a Massa Marittima. We are here in the mountain. So this is a beautiful chair, this is a wood chair. So if you're getting tired to walk, you can sit down over there, or you can lie down. You can do lie down also if you want. It depends with you guys. What happened? My baby stroller stuck. And then now we go walking over here. Possible also bicycle here. Yeah, I think possible bicycle. My right hand is my cell phone. It's a big view and a big place. Yeah. So we have a lot of baby over there. A farm baby. We have a lot of a farm baby, my dear friends. So this is, let's say, antenna. Antenna, guys. So this one is connected to the stadium. In Italiano, stadio. So stadium, which is you can play with football here. So all is connected. Yeah, all is connected. I can see it's all connected over here. Look, that's the finish line here. Let's see. Let's go again. Let's go move. Let's go move. Medyo difficult with my hands and pushing, because this is a very climbing road. Going to the stadium. Let's see. So, but the road is not good. So I'm gonna push. Oh, there is a car also. Continue. I stopped by the camera because we have a car here, so I need to be careful also. So this is a stadium area. Yeah, yeah. This one is going to the main roads. This is going to the main roads. Where's the market? It's market. You see, this is where we went. Yeah, this is where we went. And I need to have a shadow more. Let's go over there. There's a lot of chairs also there. A lot of chair. So let's go back. Anyway, I need to go. So there's the market, but let's see. Let's do shortcut to shortcut. Let's go back here. Need to be careful because it's going down. Yeah, you can hear a lot of animals sounding here. The name of these animals is Chikala. 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 Okay, let's go over here. There is a shadow and there is also a babies. So let's try to go here. Yeah, there is a lot of shadow. I'm pushing my baby. So I'm tired. My hands holding with my phone, pushing my left hand, my baby hands. So we are here in the nature. There is a chair over there, and there's also a bar. There is a bar. So we are here, the nature, lovers of the nature. Charot. So nastanka. I'm super tired. Let's go. Look as you can see, guys. Whew. I'm getting tired pushing. Pushing my baby stroller. Here on the nature. And I'm sure my baby like to walk over here. So as you can see, guys, there it's already market over there. So I need to go there. I'm gonna show you later. So this is the view. As you can see here, super nice. Big trees, a lot of trees, and this is the chair. In Italiano is panchina, la panchina. And that one also is a chair, a wood chair. So yeah, see you.